7:31. I'm gonna show you more part. I'm gonna show you Fidgets again. I'm gonna make the same thing, but it's only gonna be with me. I also got new Fidgets at Christmas, so I'm gonna go and get them. Well, some of them are oil. This one's new. The red one's new, and also this is new. You spin the bottom. Feels really good, but I don't think it's not supposed to be that. So those are Fidgets. The ones that are not new are this poppet bracelet you saw in the last video, in the other video, and also this, and this other pop too that goes in the dark. So let's get started. So here are some poppets. So this one's my favorite. I don't know why. I used to think this one was like my least favorite. So I think it's like, and also my tablet is actually off on the couch, and I'm off of it, so that's why you can't really see my face that good. And my dog scratched my face. Almost scratched my eye. So that was this. And whatever, I don't know this one. It's supposed to be a keypad. I don't know why it's supposed to be this. Oh, wait, this is not a puppet. But since we have it all laid out, so I forget what this is called, but I love it. I don't really love it that much. It's hard to just get it straight. It's hard to even actually move. So that was it now. Next one is, yay, my square puppet. Oh, gosh, I have to get it. Okay, so this is not very comfortable. So this is a very good puppet. Okay, so this is another puppet. So fun. Yeah. And I have one and two more puppets, I think. Oh, I have to. Wait a second. Wait. Oh, there was just my two fidget spinners. So this is the good side. So each poppet has a good side and a bad side. This was a good side. And this is the bad side because you just can't hear it. I'll get it on the good side. The good side. Okay. So this is like a snowman. I forget to show you. Okay, I couldn't spoil it, but I did. Okay, so. Okay, that was this. Okay, did I show you the circle puppet? Oh, I did not. So this is my circle puppet. Has the same colors. See, it's like the same thing, but one's round and one's a square. So this one's sticky. I only have one of these. So nice, the squeeze. I'm gonna be squeezing this after, like, when I'm done the video. I'm gonna be squeezing this. And sorry if it's so dark. And it's actually 7 something. It's actually 7 something. I don't know. So it's 7:17 right now. I think it's actually 8 something. It's actually 8 something. I'm pretty sure it is. So this is the squeeze. It's a ball. I forget the name of it. I always forget. Oh, I love this one. It doesn't feel good for your fingers, but it's just so good. Just squeeze around. It's like the Chinese finger thing. I don't know what it's called. I sort of get it. Oh, and it's also good to do this. Yeah, it actually can't break when you do this. I don't even think you're supposed to move it around. I think you're just supposed to do this. I don't think you're supposed to do this. Well, I do it all the time this way, but I'm going to start doing it this. It feels so good. Okay, I'm going to start doing that. Oh, infinity cube. Yay, infinity cube. They still work. No, almost all. Okay, that's infinity cube. It used to be my favorite, but now it's not. Oh, yay, my old fidget spinner. This was like my old one. But now I have another one. It's faster than my other one, I can tell you already. But let's try this. So here's my other one. And I really don't know what this is. I think it's supposed to be like a stand or something. You're supposed to do this with it. And that's all. But I use it as a stand because it can do this. So, see it flat? Can go away, and then you can't touch it. It's spinning, and it's also very beautiful. It looks like a rainbow when they do it. Can you see that on camera? That looked so neat. I don't know if you could, but I saw it. I saw it. I didn't know if you saw it or not. I think it's just my eyes though. So, a monkey noodle, very awesome. Okay. Got all those. How like a lot more? Yeah, like a whole bunch more. Okay, this is getting very awesome. So here's my bag of fidgets. Just a little sneak peek. Yay, we got a Massum. Everybody know what Massums are. And if you don't, you do not. And if you don't know what Massums are, you have no idea. You probably have no idea what fidgets are. That's kidding. You probably know what fidgets are, but you cannot know what these are, but know what fidgets are. I'm just kidding. I don't know. My favorite one. It's so cute. Oh, there's the ear missing. If I didn't do it, but if I did always say it, I am so sorry. You got 2 more monkey noodles. What? Why isn't a magnet in here? Okay. Okay, I don't need this in here, but okay. Right, I need to fix this. This is what it's supposed to look like, and this, I broke it. by stretching it. Oh my gosh, you don't want to break it. It hurts so bad. It actually put a mark in me. And there's no way to fix these things. I have to like twist it. We can't. Another one of these marble things. I don't know what these are called, but these are. I have 2 more of these. All these fidgets came in a really big box, except some of them. So I have another fidget. And last but not least, the Swinky. I have more Swinkies downstairs. I have like 14 or 15. This is like my 14th one. That one was my 15th. No, this one was my 15th. So this was my 14th. This was my 14th. And the other one was my 13th. Yeah, I counted one more wrong. Okay, that was all my fidgets. Bye!